Hi everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to remove background from an image using PowerPoint. So here I have my Mario image. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image and I'm going to go into picture format if I'm not already there. From there I'm going to click up here where it says remove background. When I click on remove background, it will highlight whatever that will be removed in pink. So there are some parts that I want to get rid of that wasn't captured on from the program. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on mark areas to remove. So I want to remove this section here. So all I'm going to do is take this pen and draw the area that I want to remove. And then the program will automatically remove similar sections. I'm going to do the same here. And when I did this section, it got the bottom of his shoe. Well, I want to keep that part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on mark areas to keep. So there are areas that I want to keep. So I want the bottom of his shoe and I'm going to mark that and I'm going to line it up around so that I get his shoe. And then up here, the gloves, I don't want part of those gloves missing, so I'm gonna draw that. Okay, same with here. Once I've marked all the areas I want to keep and I want to remove, all I'm gonna do is click off of the image. And now here's my Mario without a background, and I can move it anywhere I'd like. And from here, if I wanted to save this image, all I would have to do is right click on the image, click save as picture, choose where I want to save it, and then click save. And that's how you remove the background from an image using PowerPoint. And that's it. Thank you for watching.